Claude Code versus Augment, best AI assistant for large code bases. In this video, we're comparing two advanced AI coding assistants built for serious development work, Claude Code and Augment. If you're working with massive code bases, this breakdown could save you hours. Let's start with Claude Code. Claude Code is Anthropic's developer agent built for dApp. It runs in the terminal and supports up to 200,000 tokens of context, meaning it can load multiple files, trace logic across modules, and even refactor entire components without losing track. It's not just a code assistant, it's a reasoning engine. Claude Code excels at architectural planning, test-driven development, and explaining complex logic. It is especially useful for onboarding documentation and deep refactoring. Now let's talk about Augment. This tool is built for enterprise scale development. It indexes your entire repository up to 500,000 files and treats your code base like a searchable system. No token limits, no context loss. Augment can answer architectural questions, plan SDK migrations, and even implement features autonomously. It's designed for multi-dev teams working across massive systems. I tested both tools on a 100k line monorepo, and the task is to trace a bug across three services and refactor a shared utility. Claude Code gave a clean step-by-step fix with clear explanations, and Augment located the bug instantly and proposed a full patch, including task coverage. Both were impressive, but in very different ways. Claude Code is your go-to for deep reasoning, terminal native control, and agentic support for factoring and debugging. Augment is built for scale, perfect for teams managing massive repositories and complex deployments.